Hello, this is Stefano with Stefano's Espresso Care. I'll be showing you how to clean and maintain the Grouphead area and the solenoid valve on your your beautiful Elektra Semiautomatica. First, I like to get rid of the discharge pipe, so it's actually out of our way. These I loosened them previously to make it a little quicker in the video. Once these two parts are removed, you can pull these up and lose the coil. But let's now start from the bottom, which is the shower screen. Shower screen, normally you will have a flat blade and a so-called stubby is my preferred one because they fit right under there. You remove the shower screen and you remove the diffuser, which will follow in a second as soon as we can get to it. This of course is a machine that came in for repair, so it can be very clean or filthy dirty or something in between, so not too bad. These two pieces, for the time being, they get soaked in Espresso cleaner. I'm moving on to the solenoid. Back to the cover, the coil as well just pulls out. Now you have two options. You can entirely remove the solenoid valve, or you can remove just the pilot. I'll do both. It is a 24, although I prefer to use adjustable wrench all the time. You will dispose the pilot, the plunger, and also be soaking them in there. But also I'll be removing the base just to show you the rest of the contraption in here. You want to make sure that, of course, all the passages will be nice and clean, and that, of course, coffee residues or even little sediment from the water are removed. Normally I don't use a driver for a flat blade, and that's the reason why it spins too much. Anyway, two holes. These ones need to be nice and clean. The two O-ring, make sure they are present, and you are doing the same thing. The cleanness is through those two holes. This one gets soaked too. While those parts are soaking, we are also removing the gigleur chamber. That one is a 19 millimeter. This one has an O-ring. I will not soak this in detergent because they have finish on, so I'd rather not take the chance to peel the finish off. But inside here there is a nut with an hole in the middle, which is the gigleur. This little guy is what brings water from the heating exchanger through this Grouphead block back into the solenoid valve through the Grouphead. So make sure that it's always clean. Part of when you do descaling, this will get clean, or at this point in time you can take some compressed air and blow some air through, and you'll make sure it's clean. Once all those parts are taken care, you can choose or not to replace the O-ring based on the condition of it, and reassemble, doing the stuff in reverse. When the plunger and the pieces of the solenoid valve are not entirely dirty, they will not need to stay soaked for a long time. These ones, they weren't terrible as mentioned, so we are assuming that they're already clean. When reassembling, the plunger will go in only one way, so pay attention to that. If you see that this seat is completely dented in or damaged, or is not providing a nice good seal against that, it is time to replace it. You can finger tie that for now. Make sure the two O-rings are in place. Make sure the two O-rings are matching the two holes. Reassemble with screw. Reposition coils and cover. Retight the discharge pipe, and down it goes. Replace shower screen and diffuser. Cleaning, wiping the bottom. Check the Grouphead gasket while you are at. And this is the basic thing you can do to your semi-automatic Elektra. Thank you for watching.